squash rolls. So today we are going to cook Maggi, delicious Maggi. So first thing, we will take a piece. So there are chopping my steps to make it more delicious. So much stuff. Take this, open it. Shake it a little. Put it in your mouth. After, drink hot water. So wait till tomorrow. Go to bathroom. Do number 2 means that, and you will get fresh Maggi. It will be mixed in your stomach, and it will come fresh hot Maggi. So thank you for looking at bros. I don't know my cameraman is holding the camera nicely. So smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment for this video. I copied this from Bad Bros. Sorry, Bro Crazy. So check out their video. So